Today I'll be showing you how to make a healthy, simple side dish featuring spinach, mushrooms, and onions. For this recipe, you'll need a bag of baby spinach, about 2 cups of Spanish onion, 2 cups of shiitake mushrooms, little salt and pepper to taste, and some extra virgin olive oil. In a heated saute pan, you want to coat the bottom generously with some extra virgin olive oil and add your onions. You want to mix them around and you want to caramelize them a little bit. After a few minutes, your onions are starting to caramelize. You want to add your shiitake mushrooms, mix it up, and continue to cook. Now that the shiitake mushrooms and the onions have caramelized together, you want to add your spinach. Give it a couple of quick tosses. Mix it all together. The spinach will cook very fast. Add a little salt, some black pepper to taste. And you're ready to enjoy. Buon appetito.